Hello friends, welcome back to PLC programming tutorials, and let's begin our question number 7 that is also related to timers and comparators. So the question we have is code a ladder logic that when x0 is on, then y0 should start blinking with a gap of 1 second using comparators. So here we have to blink the y0 output, that is coil, and when we press the first push button, then the output is start blinking with the 1 second gap, that is on for 1 second and then off for 1 second. So let's build this ladder logic, and for that we need normally open contacts as usual in order to latch the timer. And a timer. Now we will connect comparator, that is equal comparator, and now we will connect output coil in series. And to reset the timer, we connect normally open contact and a reset coil. Okay, so now let's associate all these components. The first contact we will associate with the input 0. And this contact with the EN bit of the timer. And let's configure this timer. Here we have to connect the EN bit with the out 0. And also we have to set its preset to 2 seconds. And let's configure this comparator. Here we have to associate this source A with the ACC bit of the timer, and we have to set source B to 2 seconds, not 2 seconds, 1 second, because we have to blink the output with the gap of 1 second, and we connect this output coil with the out 1. And now we will configure this contact and we connect it with the out 1, because we have to reset the timer, and finally this reset coil. Okay, so we have done, so let's simulate it. Okay, so when I press the first push button, as you can see, the output is start blinking with a gap of 1 second, and it is turning on and off with a gap of 1 second. So I hope you have understand this logic also. This is very simple logic using comparator, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.